Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to a new update here on Ripple, on XRP. Wanted to do a full update because, well, just in general, I want to keep you updated. But yesterday we actually saw a relatively strong bullish continuation, while the market was not doing much, right? So we saw other altcoins doing something as well. If you look at Celestia, for example, that's also performing relatively well. But over the course of yesterday, XRP was one of the strongest performers in general, which you can also see if we zoom all the way out. It's been in that top 3, top 5 area for a large period of time, and that in combination with the fundamental situation for XRP. Let me zoom this in a little bit more so I can actually follow what I want to follow. But then in combination with the fundamental situation for XRP, I think is a reason to keep an eye on that. So yeah, that's what we'll do. I think technically there's also something interesting, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. Now, as far as I know, there's been no massive new Ripple news, or at least nothing that crossed my feed. Maybe I missed something, but obviously we had the Grayscale private trust coming in last week. That started, or at least that pumped up the price quite a bit. And after that, we continued being bullish. Now, to be fair, I was actually slightly more bearish on XRP, I think. I did talk about that we could go up to 58 cents again after getting that spike, just to fill that up again. But I thought it would be more likely that we would kind of settle in some sort of a consolidation again. Basically, what we've been doing in this area between 51 and 61 cents. That's not the exact levels, but you get the point. I thought we would get back into that consolidation, and I do think that we are more bullish than that. We got a continuous bid over the course of yesterday, as you can see with the open interest here. Now, not only long orders, there were also some short orders coming in, but it's like some big long orders coming in, which is something we haven't seen for a while with XRP. If you look at the open interest right here, it's been relatively flat. So just in general, I am turning slightly more bullish on Ripple. And what we have to talk about, and that's obviously the main catalyst for Ripple now, is the appeal. Or maybe I should better say the lack thereof, all right? If there's no appeal, look, this is something I haven't read, so this is something I saw. But yeah, it's not. I don't think that there's any news in this. But obviously, the big thing is the appeal, right? Because if we get some sort of an indication, which I think the longer that the SEC doesn't appeal the ruling, the lower the chance that they still will appeal, right? So the closer we get to that deadline, the 6th of October, the more bullish XRP gets. And if you combine that potential bullish fundamental catalyst with the technicals, which is that we are about to break above a massive resistance here with this trend that's been forming since last year, July, when we had that SEC news. Like, if we break above this and we get closer to that deadline, I see no reason why XRP should not rally up much higher. So yes, I'm turning more bullish on XRP. The momentum has dropped down a bit since last night, and I do expect some volatility in general in the markets with some potential pullbacks. So do I think we can break above this resistance level now? I would say no, but I will be ready, all right? If we're able to break above 60 cents on the higher time frames, I will probably buy. And then if there's still an appeal, price will fall back down, right? So there's always a risk, but the potential bullish fundamentals coming in, combined with the technicals, is just too good of an opportunity to leave on the table. So short term, I do think we'll pull back a bit here, but it looks like we are slowly but surely gearing up for that breakout, after which I would say 65, 66 cents is my first price target, but that's a very conservative first price target. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know about XRP and Ripple for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.